Hey, all you super smart first graders. This is Mr. Henderson. In our video today, we're going to do a review of our unit on data and graphing. I'm going to show you a picture of a graph. You have to tell me what kind of graph am I showing you. Am I showing you a bar graph, a pictograph, or a tally chart? Then we're going to interpret the data that our graph represents. Are you ready? Let's go. First one. What kind of graph is this? What kind of graph am I showing you? Correct. This is a pictograph. A pictograph uses pictures or symbols to represent data. Now let's answer some questions. What is the title of our graph? The title of our graph is Our Favorite School Lunch. Next, what food item was the favorite choice? Which food item had the most votes? Was it pizza, chicken nuggets, or breakfast? Correct. Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and then we have a half. We look at our key, is 2. Half of 2 is 1. So 14 plus 1 equals 15. And our last question on the pictograph. How many more students like pizza than breakfast? So let's count our pizza. 2, 4, 6, 8 and a half. So this will be 9. Breakfast has 2, 4, 6, 8. So how many more students like pizza than breakfast? Pizza has 9, breakfast has 8. How many more? Awesome. There is one more student that likes pizza than breakfast. Now let's go to our next one. What kind of graph is this? Right, this is a tally chart. A tally chart represents data by using tallies. Each one of our tallies represents 1. Now let's answer some questions. What is the title of our tally chart? Right, our title is called Favorite Snacks. Which snack is the least favorite? Which snack had the least amount of votes? Was it the carrot, the pretzel, grapes, or chips? Looking at your tallies, which one had the least amount of votes? Correct. It is the carrot. The carrot only had 1, 2, 3 votes. And our last question, how many students voted in all? How can we find how many students voted in all? What do we need to go and count? We need to go and count all of our tallies for all of the snacks. So let's count together. We know that when we have a slash through the 4, that means it is 5. So instead of going through and counting all of our tallies by 1, first we're going to count by 5s. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Now let's count our ones. 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 students voted in all. Let's move on to our next one. Name this graph. What kind of graph is this? Right, this is a bar graph. Bar graphs represent data using bars. What is the title of our bar graph? What is our title? Right, our title is Ice Cream Sales. It's telling us how much ice cream they sold. Which flavor had the most scoops? Was it vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or mint chocolate chip? Which one had the most? Correct. We can look at our bar graph and see that chocolate has the tallest bar, so that means chocolate had the most scoops sold. And last, which flavor had the least amount of scoops? Which one had the least amount of scoops? Was it vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or mint chocolate chip? Right, vanilla. Vanilla had the least amount of votes. We can easily look at our bar graph and see that vanilla is shorter than all of the other bars. Awesome job. Awesome job, first graders. Give yourself a pat on the back for working so hard and learning all about data and graphing. Awesome job.